you could start a thriving herb garden right now in the fall, even as temperatures drop. No need to wait until spring. Zone 8 gardeners, this is the perfect season to start, and I'm going to show you how with 10 easy herbs that anyone can grow. Whether it's fresh basil for soups, rosemary for roasts, or mint for tea, fall is the time to plant. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to start from seeds or cuttings and care for your herbs like a pro. 10 easy herbs to grow for beginners. Let's dive into herbs that thrive in Zone 8 during fall. These are perfect for beginners because they're hardy, low maintenance, and flavorful. Basil, yes, basil can grow in the fall. Perfect for indoor starting. Thyme, great for soups and stews. Grows well, even with little care. Rosemary loves cooler weather, and you can take cuttings for easy propagation. Oregano thrives in cooler fall temperatures. Sage, cold, tolerant, and perfect for Thanksgiving recipes. Mint, fast-growing and great for teas and desserts. Hard to kill! Cilantro loves cooler months, no more bolting. Chives, continuous harvest through fall. Parsley, biannual, perfect for fall planting and comes back next season. Lavender adds a lovely scent and is super easy to care for. How to grow herbs from seeds and cuttings. Now that you know the herbs, let's talk about starting them. It's easier than you think. Starting seeds indoors, cooler nights mean indoor starting is best. Use small pots or seed trays with a good mix. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep, water lightly, and place them in a sunny spot. In 1-2 weeks, you'll see sprouts. Taking cuttings, snip 4-6 inches from a healthy stem, remove lower leaves, and place in water or moist soil. Keep the cutting in bright but indirect light until roots form in a couple of weeks. Transplanting seedlings. Once seedlings reach 2-3 inches with leaves, transplant them outdoors. Space them according to their needs. Basil and mint need more room, thyme, and oregano less. How to care for your herb garden. Herbs need water, food, and protection. Water regularly. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, usually 1-2 times a week. Basil loves moist soil. Rosemary prefers dryness. Fertilize monthly. Use a light, organic fertilizer once a month to help herbs grow strong. Protect from pests and diseases. Watch for pests like aphids. A simple, soapy water spray works well. For yellowing leaves, check for overwatering or overcrowding. That's it. You now have everything you need to start your fall herb garden in Zone 8. Imagine the fresh flavors from your garden. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting and see you in the next video.